the Sony team to actually, who've made me a part of it. I think all of you all have seen the campaign. What nobody knows is that I was actually 4 months pregnant when we shot this campaign. So, well, my son is definitely feeling alive at this moment, even though he's not amongst us. But he is definitely going to be watching Sony BBC Earth, watching all the shows on it, such positive content, such real content, such a connect to nature, to adventure, to wildlife. And of course, Saif is also a very special mention. He has definitely asked me to ask them that he loves wildlife, he loves adventure, he's seen Planet Earth, he's desperately waiting for part 2. He's obsessed with the hunt. He's just asked me to ask that why was he not chosen as the brand ambassador and why his wife? So I said, it's because I'm also glamorous. This channel needs some glamour.
This is Shama Bharat. I'd like to ask you, have you been on any adventure? Have you gone and seen wildlife in real life?
Well, in India, there are very few places where you could spot, of course, wildlife in such close proximity. But of course, I'm obsessed with the tiger, so I've been to Ranthambore, and we sat in a jeep for nearly six and a half hours, both me and Saif. And I think the whole experience was actually so surreal that the fact that they're so close, and I thought I would be scared. The first feeling is that, oh my God, but you realize that when you're that close, it's actually, I think it's the best feeling. Another moment that made me actually thank God that I'm alive and absolutely feel alive. So I think that, Ranthambore is actually was one of my most beautiful trips. And to be so close, so I'm sure I would recommend everyone to go there.
अब जब आप सोनी चैनल को BBC अर्थ को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, तो क्या आप आगे जाके हमें किसी रियलिटी शो की जज या किसी तरह से और जुड़ाव किसी चैनल पे या किसी शो में, क्योंकि सैफ पहले एक रियलिटी शो में जज बन चुके हैं, तो आगे ऐसा कोई देखना होगा? वो चैनल बंद हो गया जो मैं सैफ की बात कर रहा हूँ।
कौन सा था?
9X.
I don't think he was a judge on anything. I don't think he ever has been. But ऐसे कभी सोचा नहीं है that whether I will be doing reality or judging. There are no plans. I'm not against it, but I don't know. There's no such particular thought कि ये करना है, ये नहीं करना है. It depends. जैसे अगर मेरी personality अगर मेरे वक्त को सूट करे तो I don't know. उस टाइम पे मेरा क्या मन होगा.
और टेलीविजन में आप क्या-क्या देखना पसंद करती हैं? अगर मैं पूछूं इसके अलावा जो आपने बताया कि इस तरह के प्रोग्राम में.
Of course, I think that हर एक को एडवेंचर और नेचर बहुत पसंद है. खास करके हमारे इंडिया में इतनी नेचर और एडवेंचर है. We don't get to see it, but I think a lot of people like to watch that. Like me and Saif love to watch nature, wildlife, adventure, natural history. जब भी वक्त मिलता है, चाहे वैन में हो या हम लोग घर पे हो, definitely we are always watching natural history shows. And apart from that, of course, a lot of comedy, a lot of the different, हर एक channel की अपनी USP होती है. And like everybody else, I also watch TV quite often and like to relax and unwind watching a nice adventure show is something that I think husband and wife as a couple, क्योंकि इन्हें तो हमेशा कभी-कभी रिमोट के लिए झगड़ा होता है. But I think Saif and me rarely fight over this because we enjoy watching adventure shows together. So Sony BBC Earth, at least we're going to comfortably put our feet back and watch all the content.